Alright guys, super excited. Finally got our S13.4 Hybrid valve covers for the SR20DET. What is it? It's an S13 front with an S14 rear. The reason why is the baffling is superior to the S13 valve covers. And if you're not new to this or if you're not aware of it, what we do and a few other shops do is they offer a service where you would cut this front off of an S13 SR valve cover like this one, and then you would actually take that, cut this off, so this would come off of the S14 or S15 valve cover and will get welded on here. The reason for doing this, the valve cover baffling on the S14 valve cover is, again, and like I said, is better design, so there's less blow-by. What we did was we took an S13 valve cover that we had on our car, we did a full 3D scan of it, and we actually came out with this, which is a direct OEM scan. So it allows you to run all of the OEM gaskets, the Nissan SR20 SR S13 gasket, and the spark plug weld gaskets will fit onto this valve cover. Going into that, the baffling, we made it so it's removable, so if anyone wants to down the road, want to clean it, want to powder coat it, there's no need to sandblast and worry about getting sand in there or residue. Now you can actually remove it. These are all M4 threaded, and these do just drop right in, just like that. And they do mimic the OEM baffling, just like the way it is on the OEM valve covers. Flipping it to the top. Again, all of these features here are all the same OEM sizing, so you can run the OEM coil packs, spark plug cover the covers, OEM oil cap, and these actually ports are now for, were designed with 10AN ORB fittings. So instead of using MPT, which can still leak, or you have threads showing just because they bottom out, now they sit flush, like so. And you can put AN fittings, you can put barb fittings, you can plug these in if you don't need them, or whatever else you have to do. Another feature on our valve cover is going to be that these corners have been actually thickened by approximately 1.5 millimeters. You can see how thin these are here. A lot of them, when we receive them, they're either broken or cracked, and we would have to actually repair them, which is an additional cost. These have been reinforced and a little bit thicker all around just to give it that extra rigidity, and there's no more cracking of them when you have to ship them or even install. Now, why would you buy this instead of doing the service? Most people who have been in this position knows that S13 valve cover you most likely have already. S14 valve covers have gone up in price substantially. So one, Nissan doesn't offer it anymore brand new. So you have to source these either from Facebook Marketplace, the 240SX groups, or Yahoo Auction Japan, and so on. The price of these valve covers used are going to upwards of as high as $900 that we've seen. So to do that, send this into a shop, pay them the fee to do the service, powder coat it to cover up all the welds. You're easily spending over $1,000. Now, everyone's probably wondering, how much is this? We are going to be posting it on the website, but it's going to be very fairly priced, and it'll be much cheaper than buying an S14 used valve cover.